future than emerging skills is a big driver for us in Wales, and this year we successfully delivered another 6 competitions targeted at green future skills. Some of those competitions are truly unique to Wales. There's no blueprint to follow, and I'm quite proud of the education sector, how they've designed these competitions. Our industry partners as well have come together to provide the judging panels and everything we need.
So within the electrical competition, we're trying to keep in line with the green agenda. What can be done with smart home to make your house more efficient, car chargers, EV.
Da ni'n gorau paratoi myfyrwyr i'r byd sy'n yn dod yn ei flaen ni. Mae technoleg yn symud yn ei flaen na'n andros o gyflym. Heb i'r myfyrwyr bod yn barod am beth sy'n dod y gornel, fydd yna problemau yn diwydiant yn ei gorau bod yn siŵr da ni yna.
We are keen on bringing sustainable green energy sort of usages into our trade area. This is something that we're looking forward to for the future. We're planning now for next year's events.
So sustainability and green skills is now an integral part of any college. So we feed that through to our competitors as well, and as part of their training they are trained how to use their products sustainably and how to incorporate that within their competition.
There's a growing industry in wind turbines and green energy. So these might not be exactly wind turbines, but they're the machines that you'll be producing parts for the wind turbines on. So if the industry wants to grow in areas, then you need the manufacturing base there to feed into it. I'm always looking at sustainable ways of machining. So there's marks on the mark scheme if they use an extra piece of material. Obviously that's not as sustainable, so they get marked down for use of material as well.
And none of this would be possible without this continued support of Welsh Government and also our sponsors that go over and above and truly realise the value of what we're trying to do in Wales.